If you are a content creator or a business owner, you already know how important YouTube short. If you make YouTube short, and you can also upload it on TikTok and Facebook Reels, and it will scale up your business very quickly. So in this video, you are going to learn how you can make a viral YouTube short using CapCut and Canva. So no more talks, let's get started. So first of all, go to Canva and open custom design. So actually I want to use 1080 to 1990. So if you want, you can also do 1920. So I want to adjust it, so that's why I pick a little bit higher, but it's no problem because we are in later we will use CapCut. And here you can see we are using this shape for adding headline. So for example, if I want to make a short about 10 useful website, then just add this header and I just decrease the size. So if you want, you can select it on 2 line, or so if you want, you can decrease the letter space, or you can decrease the line space. So you can see it's now look like this, but I always do prefer make it 1 line, and now it's look like this. And you can see I used another example with background, and you can see I just make a template with this. So this is actually quickly I am making. So you just make the shape and add title on there, and right now you can see top 10 useful website with AI. And it's no matter actually the color, you can easily change it anytime. And when this template is ready, now it's time to share. So if you, I think you can easily understand, I just add a logo and title on their shape. Okay, now I just want to download it on transparent background because I will use my video on the background. So for example, I just want to save it, so any name. So when now it's time to open CapCut and add this photo. So CapCut new project, and then we need to import that PNG file that we have made a few minutes ago. And here you can see this is my demo video that I want to add on this video. So I don't want to this one, so I want to add again. So this is the studio quality footage that I want to use this video. So and now we just need to rotate this file, and it's 9:16, and we just need to rotate it on uh, this format, and now it's look like this. And I just want to remove the very first few seconds, and now it's look like this. And go to import, and then go to add our that PNG format. And now if I add it on above this file, it will showcase on like this. Okay, so this is actually 1 minute footage. I don't want to take it because for short it's 15 minutes it's ready. So I always do prepare within 15-second footage. So it's now look like this, and I just want to add a animation, and which is fade in, which is my favorite, and just increase the duration just 1.3 second, and now it's looking pretty smooth, and that's it. So I just also add the out animation, which is fade out, and also increase the duration, and now it's look like this. Okay, so if you want, you can keep it like this simple, because this we it's now looking good. But if you want, you can do another few customization. But I just when you have ready, then you need to export this file format, and I already exported. So that's it actually, how you can make a uh, viral YouTube short with AI tools. And if you want, you can use like change some design from here, and how you will make the another one. Like if you search on Google top best AI tools for digital marketer, then you will see the list of few blog posts, also the AI tools for digital marketer. You can pick it from there. Also you can use ChatGPT, etc. So for example, top best student AI tools. So that's actually idea. You can make information from Google and use this format to make your own YouTube short, and you can easily upload it on this four platform. So that's it.